Hey guys, what's up? This is Seamus, bringing you another TSD review of this Spring Airsoft Sniper Rifle. Now this TSD is spring powered, but that doesn't mean it's not tough. It also features a textured body, a nice color, and it also features an adjustable hop-up and an adjustable rear sight.
Boom! Alright guys, here we go. SD M1 Tactical Sniper Rifle Airsoft, but this one, you may not see it on the cover, but it's green. You see that there? Green! Okay, enough of that. Green. Okay, bam, here it is. Manual, none of you will ever read it. Okay, then here we go. Here's our package. I'll just pan across there. Look at that. Very similar to that, except this has got some covers. Covers for the rails in case you don't want to be gripping rails, which I'm not a fan of just gripping rails straight off unless I've already got something mounted on it. It just leaves nasty impressions on my hand. Do anybody of you guys know what I'm talking about? Anyway, so here we go. I love that they have a whole compartment just for this screw here, or the screwdriver I should say. Is that really necessary? Probably not. I know they use these boxes for all kinds of things and there's spaces for all sort of other stuff, but whatever. And we get a speed loader and a little tiny bag of BBs in case you don't have a million or anything like that. But yeah, there we go. Magazine. Ooh, dat texture. No bubbles. I love it.
Alright guys, now I'm gonna do what I know you all love, shooting it.